Hey, so I wanted to show you what's in the box with these and kind of give you an explanation of how to use this here. So this is the 2-pack from PowerDeWise. This is a very popular one for these lavalier microphones. So I plan on using this with my wireless DJI mic set just to kind of upgrade the audio quality hopefully a little bit. But let's see what is in here. Like I said, this is a 2-pack, so you get a few extra things. You get 2 of the actual lavalier microphones compared to the other set, which is just a single pack. So the packaging is very on point, very nice, high quality experience here. You could see they give you kind of like a little quick start right there, which is nice. They give you a little cleaning cloth here and another card on the other side of this. But this is nice because they give you this is a very convenient carrying case. This is a fabric kind of stretchy case here. You can see their logo on that side, but zipper top. Let's get into this. So you get 2 of these extension cables, which are really nice. So these extension cords are an extra 6.5 feet. I like that it is not built in because most of the time you don't want to have a ton of extra cord, but this allows you to extend it. So you are going to get 2 of those, one for each if you need. So if you're doing an interview or you're further away and stuff like that, it's very nice that you get that and you're able to have 2 of those to extend the cable out. This is one of the 2 included lavalier microphones. So this piece is magnetic, so that's pretty cool. You're able to undo that and clip that back on, so very nice. You can see the end here. So this is a TRRS connector. So you can see that's got the 3 black lines. The other ones just have 2. So this is basically set for use with your phones and stuff like that, most devices. Real quick, depending on what phone you are using this with, if you're going to go that route, you may need an adapter like this that is not included, that has either a lightning pin like this. This is made for iPhones. Otherwise, there are other ones as well that you could get for like a Type-C if you need a Type-C input. Otherwise, these are set for devices that have that 3.5mm jack still. So this lapel mic itself has a 6.5 foot long cord, and then the extra 6.5 feet is what you get then with those other extensions there. And you're gonna get 2 of these actual lavalier cords and cables and everything. You know, it's got 2 of these where, again, this is magnetic. So that's pretty cool, and this is actually a pretty nice hold on here. It's actually pretty strong. I'm impressed with that. And then there's Velcro on all those pieces, which is really nice as well, so you can keep those organized. So this is like your mono adapter. So like I said, the other ones, these are TRRS. It's tip ring sleeve. You can see it's got the 3 black poles or lines on it. This has the 2. So this is going to be an adapter if you need for your laptop, DSLR, PC. You might possibly need this. So that is nice they include that. You basically just, you're going to plug that in, and that is it. There's your adapter. Also in here, you're getting these 2 extra kind of wind foam screens. So those just go on the end of the lavalier, and those are already installed. So these are truly extras that are in the bag here. All right, now for the last thing. So again, you saw the nice bag here. So that's pretty cool. You're able to fit everything inside this bag. That's very nice. So this is a Y splitter. This is going to have, again, that's the TRRS end on this. You could always use the adapter like this too if you needed, but this is going to allow you to hook up both of the lavalier microphones together. So if you don't have a Rode kit or a DJI wireless mic kit like I'm going to be using, you know, with those you just plug these into the receiver. But with this, if you don't have another kit like this, you can just plug this directly into like your computer or your laptop. You can plug this into your camera, your smartphone. So then it's going to channel both of those audio sources into whatever device you have this hooked up to. So again, for using both of these at the same time, or for interviews, things like that, where you're going to have 2 people and you need 2 different sources, that is a nice thing to have. So it's really nice you get all this stuff. I think this is the best value. Again, you get this nice little case with it as well, but there's a single version and this double version. I think this is the better version, so definitely try it out. So I'm going to do a separate sound test as well, but this is actually using this lavalier microphone. I've got it clipped right here. I'm using the adapter cable that I showed to go to my iPhone. So that's got the lightning port connector on that. That was purchased separately. So this is what this is going to sound like. Let me unplug this real quick to show you what this would sound like had I not used this and I'm just going off the internal microphone from the iPhone. All right, so that is off now. The microphone is no longer hooked up. This is the iPhone 13 Pro's internal microphones. And again, this is basically in front of me like 1.5 2 feet away. The further away you're going to get from this, if you're across the room, obviously that's where the lavalier microphone is definitely going to make a bigger case too, and it's going to sound a lot better. Guys, there's going to be an affiliate link down there below. That does help me out if you purchase through there. As I said, you're going to get all this stuff, great value. I'm going to be doing a review and test with this as well, so subscribe and make sure you see that. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you on the next one.